Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. Happy Saturday. How are y'all doing? Oh, goodness. I had such a blast last night with my mother. It was so fun. Oh, my goodness. Okay. So, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Andrea Rutnick, and I'm a yellow status presenter with Unique. And today, we are just going to do a very simple neutral look with our July Kudos, which is our Epic Mascara, a Hottie, and a Splurge Cream Shadow. So when you jump on, say hey! And let me know you're on. If you see the live up here, that means you're catching me live. And if you no longer see the red button, that means you are catching me on the replay. So if you are catching me on the replay, thank you so much for watching. And please comment the number 2. And if you're catching me live, thank you for watching. And please comment the number 1 so I know you're here. Today I decided I am going to go with a very neutral, easy look, not too much color. So we are going to go in with a couple of my favorites. We are going to be using Proud, which is this gemmy. We'll use that in our crease. And then we are going to use Elegant, if I can find it. Annie, please leave the kitty alone. I have my kitty over here. Midnight, meow meow. He's joining us today. Ooh, and it is bright out. Where is my Elegant? There we go, right away in the top. That we're going to use on our lid. And then we're going to use, I think we'll maybe go in with Faithful. Nope, not Faithful. I want a lighter. We're going to go in with Unfazed. Yummy, delicious colors. We're going to use our cream shadow brush. And we are going to go in. Hey, 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 hey. German Shepherd versus cat. Craziness. Okay, first we're going to go in with Elegant. And I'm just going to use my ring finger. And we're going to go in here and just use some of this on our lid. Our cream shadows are really creamy. They're kind of like a moussey texture. And they go on super nice. Very creamy. And then they dry to a powder finish like a regular shadow. And I'm just going to put this everywhere because I love Elegant. Elegant is awesome. It's a neutral color. Gives you a little bit of shimmer. And you don't need a lot. Girls, these cream shadows will last you and last you and last you. Boom. See? Nothing too fancy. Just a little bit of glitter. So we got that done. Then we are going to go in with, that was Elegant. We are going to use Unfazed now on our lid. And we're just going to go in like so. It's very, very gentle. Just kind of patting it on. Okay. This is kind of a grayish. This is a matte. We have shimmers. We have metallics. And then we have mattes. So we kind of have something for everybody. And we have all kinds of colors. We got bold colors, we got neutral colors, we got pinks and purples, and like, then we got some really like pizzazzy ones. These are awesome. And we have another punch of color here. That one I love. This is called Whimsical. And it's gorgeous. You don't have to be afraid of the bold colors because, as you will see, they can go on as dark as you want or as light as you want. And now we're going to use Proud. We're going to use this puppy right in our crease. And yes, it does look dark. It is a dark, it's like a chocolate brown. Kind of looks like a Hershey's bar. And we're just going to go right here just to give our eyes some depth. And we're going to bring this in on our crease. Like so. I can definitely hear, I'm right across the river, and we are having Mardi Gras in town this weekend. Every third weekend in July, our town hosts a carnival. And it's pretty awesome, I should say. Okay, we're going to leave that like that. We're going to blend, don't worry. We're going to blend it. So what is everybody doing on their Saturday? We are getting ready to throw a big birthday party for my daughter. Tomorrow she is turning 14, but since my husband has to be away for work, we are celebrating her birthday today. And our little tradition with our family is the birthday person gets to pick what they want for dinner. It's their thing. Well, of course, my daughter says prime rib. Nope, not getting prime rib today. Sorry, Pumpkin, but nope. So next thing she picked is steaks on the grill. That we can do. So we are going to have a little private, small get-together with just some of our closest friends for her. And Grandma made her favorite cake, so she gets that which is probably going to be the highlight of her day. And then we're going to go down to Mardi Gras and celebrate that. And although she doesn't want to really go on rides, it's weird. She's like, the rides make me sick. I don't want to go. Okay, I'm not going to pressure you. Okay, next we're going to go in with our beachfront bronzer in the shade of Malibu, and you get this in your kit. And we're just going to put a little bit like so. See, I'm giving my eyes time to dry before I go in and blend. And I've got a screen door that will not latch, and it keeps creaking in the background, driving me batty. Okay. We're just going to go under. Boom, done with that. I am going to use a special blush today, which is 50% off right now. We are sunsetting these colors. This is Spirited. We're going to go with a little pop of color today. And we're going to blend. Blending is our friend. Okay, and then we are going to use brush to blend all this in. And we just want to soften the lines. Oh my goodness, that door is driving me nuts. You can hear the live band down in the park going. And then tonight we got fireworks, and tomorrow we got a parade. It's gonna be awesome sauce. My daughter gets a parade on her birthday. Like so. See, that dark, scary color isn't so dark and scary anymore. But I do want to blend that up a little bit more. And then I'm going to use another item that we have our sunsetting. And that would be our liquid eyeliners. They are 50% off at $10.50 right now, while supplies last. And they are so yummy. They glide on nice and easy. By no means am I professional at this, as you can clearly tell. But I'm having fun learning. I would like to think that years from now, I'll be able to go back and watch these videos and be like, oh my gosh, I was doing what? Look how I've improved. There we go. And these liners will not smudge, they will not move, they will not budge. They are awesome. Okay, next we got up another part of our KUDOS is our Epic Mascara. Girls, it is so properly named. It's amazing. And it's so quiet in my house, it's almost unnerving. But the kids were up late, so they're all sleeping in. Now our Epic will volumize your lashes. Curl them. Hello! Curl them, volumize them, and this brush has got millions and millions and millions of little brushes on it, so it helps to separate your lashes as well. Okay, so we got, let's see, we used Elegant, Proud, and Faithful. Is that right? Yes, Faithful on our lid today. We used the proper 50% off liquid eyeliner. We used the Epic. And now we just got to pick a hottie. And honestly today, what are we going to pick? These are our hotties. Let me just grab them all. There we go. We have the original, which is a clear. We have Keisha, which is a, well, I would just, here, you know what, I'm going to show you. And I can't say how long these are going to stay in stock. So, that is Keisha. Hi, Emo. That is our bright, like, coral. It looks red on here, but that's what it is. Then we have Holly Megan, which is one of my favorites. It's Holly Megan. It's like a mauve chocolate brown. Actually more like a berry color. Renee Rochelle. Okay. This one, if you like shimmer. That one is a shimmery pink. And it's got some bite to it. And then we have Jenna, which it looks purple, right? It is that color. Okay, so these are our 4 so far. It's kind of like a lavender mixed with pink, is what I would describe it. And then we have my all-time favorite, Chandel. This is my all-time favorite. So those are our things. Oh, and I'll show you. I'll even swab the clear. The clear is right there. See? It looks pink, but it's going to come off clear. And you know what? I think we're going to go with that one today. First, I'm going to exfoliate my lips. Ugh. I always forget. You always want to exfoliate your lips. Our exfoliator is freaking... It is shea butter and sugar, and it is awesome. Hi, honey.
Right.
Also, I was going to say our Epic is safe for contact wearers. It is ophthalmologist tested and approved. So we're just going to go in with the original Hottie. Oh, that music is really loud. And again, this just sort of enhances your natural lip color. And then you will notice, because there is peppermint oil in these, that there is a little bit of a tingle, not very much. And so that is our July Kudos. I used a couple different Splurge Cream shadows. You get the Lip Hottie of your choice, the Epic Mascara, and it is a 25% savings at $58. By far our most affordable Kudos, and it is just thebomb.com. So if you are interested, or I can help you pick out your colors or whatever, just go to the link below and click shop, and then click Kudos, and we can get you there. Also, stop by the Steals and Deals tab. That's where you're going to find all our 30 and 50% stuff off. So I thank you all for taking time out of your Saturday to watch me. I love you all so much, and I hope you all have a great day. I will see you later. Bye.